How to notify users of password expiration in Active Directory. Notify users about password expiration by changing system policies. If you want to notify users about password expiration, modify your group policy. For more advanced users, we recommend using PowerShell scripts to automate the process. Frequently changing the Active Directory password is a great way to protect it, but many users are wondering if there's a way to notify users of password expiration in Active Directory. It's crucial that you change your password for both security reasons and to avoid Active Directory account lockout. Password notifications are relatively simple to configure, and in this guide, we're going to show you a couple of methods that you can use. How can I notify users of password expiration in Active Directory? (1) Edit group policy. Press Windows key +R and enter gpedit.msc. Navigate to Computer Configuration and expand Windows Settings. Next, go to Security Settings and select Local Policies. Lastly, choose Security Options. Now double-click Interactive Logon, prompt user to change password before expiration in the right pane. Now adjust Begin prompting this many days before password expires to the desired value. If you want to notify users of password expiration in Active Directory, this is the simplest method to use. 2. Use PowerShell script. This is an advanced solution, and it requires you to read the documentation and manually adjust the script settings before it could work on your network. Visit Miaso's GitHub page. Click on Download zip. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Configure the PowerShell file and run it. (3) Use AD Self-Service Plus. Log into the AD Self-Service Plus admin portal. Next, navigate to the Configuration tab. Select Password Expiration Notification. It should be located in the Self-Service section. Select the domains, OUs, and groups that you want to receive the notification. Set the desired scheduler name and choose the notification type. From the Notify via menu, select the method you want to use to send notifications. Next, configure the notification frequency and schedule time. Now fill in the subject and message fields. Click on Advanced and configure the desired settings. Manage Engine AD Self-Service Plus. Easily notify users about password changes and manage your organization network with AD Self-Service Plus software. As you can see, it's pretty simple to notify users of password expiration in Active Directory, and you can use any of the methods mentioned in this guide. To ensure that your passwords are safe, it's always recommended to use reliable password manager software. What method do you use to notify users about password expiration?